I want some.
You want to do it again?
Yes, come here.
Why you want to keep, bro? We just fucking had sex for like 40 minutes.
I understand that, but come here.
No, bro, I'm not about to keep fucking, man.
Bro.
I ain't even ate,
Right.
bro.
Okay, you about to eat now. Come here.
No, bro, it's only been like 6 minutes, bro. I'm not about to keep fucking you, bro. That's why I didn't want to fuck in the first place, because I knew your ass was going to want to keep fucking.
Why was you getting mad?
Because I don't have that fucking much energy in
Okay,
me.
but you ain't even gotta get that mad.
Damn,
Like, all you
bro.
gotta do is come here.
Nah, bro, because I came and you came. You came, right?
We both came and we both gonna come again.
No, bro, I'm not about to keep fucking having sex.
Come
That's
here,
all
baby.
you want to do, bro.
Babe, come here.
No, bro, stop fucking saying that shit, bro. Damn, bro, why you fucking want to come over here? God damn, bro, you always want to fuck, but damn, cook or some. Damn, that's you. Can't you cook? God damn, man, that's why man, bro, I'm about to go to my mama's house, bro.
No, come here.
You always on that bullshit.